I am Dr. M.K. Murali, Assistant Professor of Physics, J.J. College Arts and Science, Pudukottai. Now we are going to discuss about argon laser. Argon laser. Argon laser is the most common type of ion laser. In argon laser, lasing action is due to ions of argon atom. Ions are formed when electrons are removed from argon atom by applying proper high voltage or energy. Characteristics of argon laser. All ion laser produce different wavelength. Argon laser produce 9 different wavelengths in which 2 are most powerful and commonly used. Argon lasers are operated in continuous wave mode to get very rapid short duration pulses. For argon laser, the output power can ranges from few milliwatt to 20 watts. A laser have very long narrow laser cavity which produce high power 10 beam output with very low divergence. The overall efficiency of the argon laser vary from about 0.01% to 0.1%. Large amount of power of laser to get an output. For example, the laser has an efficiency of 0.1%, then it is necessary to apply 1000 watts of power to laser in order to achieve an output of 1 watt. The remainder of input power is dissipated as heat. Construction of the argon laser. The argon laser constructed differently from helium laser because argon laser have very low efficiency, so need large amount of power as input which produce heat. Construction. Cooling pins. In given figure, there are cooling pins on the outside of the tube. This is one method dissipating heat generating during the lasing process. Sometimes instead of cooling pins, the water jacket surround the tube where water is forced through the jacket to cool the tube. Most common is high power argon laser. Bore. Some argon laser using a arc discharge method to produce lasing action. High level of excitation energy is needed. High level of excitation produce high current through the bore. Current density through the bore reach several hundred amperes per second. Current producing heat to resist the heat made from oxide, tungsten or graphite. The systematic diagram of argon laser is as shown in figure. The laser bore is surrounded by cooling pins. The anode and cathode is connected to the power supply. There are two mirrors used. One end of the mirror is fully reflecting, another end of the mirror is partially reflecting. Solenoid and magnetic problem. That is, you are using for the solenoid or magnetic were used in discharge tube, they are arising for this some problem. The ionized gases contain many charged particles. The charged particles move from each other. After it cooled, loses the energy for excitation. To avoid the solution for using a solenoid and a magnetic coil, here how to solve the problem means, to solve the problem Magnetic coils or solenoid is placed around the tip. The solenoid magnet induces a longitudinal magnetic field. The magnetic field causes electron to move in orbits around the field lines. Fewer electrons drift to the walls of the tube. This has the effect of confining the current near the center of the tube and increase the current density. The increasing the power output of the laser. Mirrors. The mirrors are not directly connected to the laser tip due to high temperature. Connected to the Priestley's window. Priestley windows are connected to at the either end of the tube. Priestley windows and HR tube. There is inserted a device called prism. Power supply. Power supply must be used to provide large amount of current needed for lasing action. Provide enough voltage for solenoid operation. The power supply is connected to the cathode and anode tube. That is a systematic diagram of the argon laser with the connected to the power supply. Function of the argon laser. Use pure argon, either direct excitation or further excitation of already excited atom. They involve the two steps. One is the atom to ion and the ion from the further excited ion. Result: intense high current discharge produce of several wavelengths of the energy. The energy level diagram of the argon laser is as shown in figure. The two main laser radiation are at main visible wavelength. One is a blue color, another one is a green color. The blue color is in the range of 0.488 millimeter and the green color is 0.5145 millimeter. Argon ions emits also in the spectrum of 0.3511 millimeter to 0.3638 millimeter. Application used in scientific research. Widely used for a variety of studies of light matter interaction and dye laser. Used in medical application. Used in ophthalmology. In the field of laser and tank. The low power argon lasers are extremely used for the high speed printer and cell cytometry. Production of the multiple wavelength, less divergence as compared to helium laser, high power output as compared to helium laser, high gain system.